Hi, this is week 7 of the carnivore diet. And the week started out a little bit slow. I gained a little bit of weight on the first day of the week, but as the week has gone on, things have progressed well. I think we're actually going to wind up pretty decent for this week. Unless something drastic happens tonight, we should have a pretty nice loss for the week. So I'm really encouraged. Really gotten excited about one other thing that has happened this week though. This week we launched the Ralph Knows Carnivore channel. It's had a great response. Now I originally tried to launch it on Thursday, but the original name was going to be Ralph 2.0 and it got lost among all the Disney Wreck-It Ralph 2 movie clips. Nobody could find it, so we had to quickly change the name to Ralph Loves Carnivore. And if you're watching this, you found it. It's very similar to my other channel's name, Ralph Knows Food. So it really lends itself to people looking for one, they're going to find the other. So I think it actually worked out for the best in the long run. But what's really got me excited is I launched 6 videos at the same time. I did 6 videos first before uploading them to YouTube because I wanted to have a body of work for YouTube to analyze before sending it out, so they'd know to send it out to the right people. You know how that algorithm works. Well, that means that for the previous 6 weeks of video, now 7 weeks of video that I've been shooting, I've had no feedback from people. I've essentially just been making videos for myself because nobody could see them. So there was no feedback, there was no encouragement. I was able to get everything loaded and uploaded on Friday. This channel has taken off. I'm pretty excited to see what's happening. YouTube, I think, is pushing it out to people. People are seeing it and they're following what I've asked. They're giving me comments, great comments, lots of comments. And I'm getting that support and I'm getting that encouragement that I've needed all along. And really, this is so important. When you're doing this kind of program, you need support. Now, I've had support from my wife, and that's great, but she's not on carnivore. She doesn't really know what I'm experiencing. I've had a really good close buddy who, has offered a lot of encouragement on both of my YouTube channels and some critiques, and the information that he's offered has been fabulous. And so he's offering great support as well. The rest of my family, my son, my local family here and his family, I think they kind of look at me a little strange, like, not quite sure what you're doing here, Pops, but, okay, it's nice to have a hobby. The type of encouragement that you really need when you're on a program like this is from other people that are either starting it at the same time that you are, or that have been there and can help walk you through it. This has been extremely important for me to be getting your feedback, and it's been fabulous. It's the highlight of my 7 weeks. I gotta tell you, it really is. I can't express how thankful I am to all of you who have watched, and all of you who have subscribed, and all of you who have left me a comment. It's no words can describe how I'm feeling. Weight loss, awesome, of course it is. Not as awesome as the feedback that I've been getting from all of you. I'm telling you the truth on this, which is why I'm encouraging all of you who may just be starting out. Find other people who are doing the carnivore program. Communicate with us on the channel, send messages out on all the videos, and I may not always be able to come up with the answers. I will try to answer. I'll try to communicate with you, but we've got a lot of other much more experienced carnivore people that are talking on this channel, that are commenting on this channel, that I'm sure will be able to help us out. I'd like to see pictures of you guys and your successes and your weight losses and your struggles and your successes. I want to hear about all of that. So let's form a community here. I'm really appreciating you guys. I hope you understand that. So I'll catch you on the next clip later on in this video. And we'll wrap this week up here tomorrow. Thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate it. Okay, so this is just a quick wrap up for week 7. I said most of what I wanted to say yesterday, but today was the final weigh-in for the week. And I'm pretty excited. I dropped 3.8 pounds this week, and I think that's pretty awesome. Other than that, the only thing I really wanted to say is, again, thank you for everybody that's been watching this channel, watching this video, and I really, really appreciate the support and all the comments that y'all are leaving, the subscriptions. You guys are all totally awesome. Thanks very much, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks again. Bye-bye.